Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm a chef for Turnbulls, and I'm here to show you today how to prepare and serve your Valentine's meal. If you have opted for the asparagus, parma ham and artichoke starter, it comes in a foil and you just need to peel the foil off, pop into the oven, which is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You want the parma ham to be nice and crispy, the lemon butter to be all melted, and everything to be hot. I'm going to show you how to plate up your starter. So after 8 to 10 minutes in the oven, you can see that the parma ham has crisped up, all the butter is melted, everything is piping hot. And start off with some rocket on the plate. If you have a large appetite and you think that you could eat a little bit more, this would be perfectly topped with a freshly poached egg. And then just to finish it off, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, which is available at our food hall. If you have opted for the Thai spice sweet potato soup for your starter, all you need to do is pop it into a pan and heat thoroughly until it's bubbling. Or you could pop it in the microwave, 3 minutes, high temperature, give it a good stir in another 3 minutes. To accompany your main course of steaks, we have Dauphinoise potatoes that have been par-cooked. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Take off the film lid and pop in the oven for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking your Dauphinoise potatoes, take your side accompaniment of sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, figs. Pierce the film lid and pop in for 8 to 10 minutes. These have been par-cooked, just par-cooked, so they are very tender, but don't cook them for too long, otherwise they will go mushy. Dauphinoise potatoes, nice and crispy on the top. Generous portion. And our side of vegetables, piping hot. Try and make sure you get a little bit of everything. The figs will give a nice little sweet twist against the pancetta and the sprouts. And then next we are going to serve our steak. This is Turnbulls fillet steak, cooked rare. Very tender, as you can see, knife just going through it like it was butter. And then we finish with our sauce. The sauce gets cooked in the microwave or in a pan. It should only take about 3-4 minutes. Just make sure it's piping hot. If you overcook it, it may separate. There's lots of cream in there, so try to keep an eye on it, keep stirring it, just so it's nice and hot. And there you have your Valentine's Day supper. To get that restaurant feel of your Valentine's menu, it's the little side bits that make it extra special. So get some fresh strawberries, and if you like cream, ice cream, double cream, it's always nice. And we are going to drizzle strawberry coulis across the plate. Finish off with a little dusting of icing sugar. And the only thing left for you to do now is the dishes. Happy Valentine's Day from everyone at Turnbulls.